Hey guys, we are going to use a system of equations to solve this story problem. So let's go ahead and read it. A movie theater's price for a child's ticket is $2 less than the price for an adult ticket. Over the weekend, they made $757.50 by selling 75 adult tickets and 60 children's tickets. How much does an adult ticket cost and how much does a children's ticket cost? So we know how many of each ticket they sold, and we know the total amount they made, but we don't know how much each one costs. We know the child's ticket is $2 less. So we're going to use all of this information to figure out the price of each ticket. The first thing I like to do is assign variables. So I'm going to say that A is the price of an adult ticket and C is the price of a child's ticket. See what I did there? Okay. All right. Now, I do not know what these numbers are yet, but I know a relationship that exists between them, so I'm going to write that in an equation. I know that a child's ticket is $2 less than the price of an adult ticket. So that means a child's ticket is equal to an adult's ticket minus 2, right? That's how I could write that in math language. But we need another equation to help us narrow this down because literally there's an infinity amount of numbers that could work here. So I need to write another equation. Over the weekend, they made $757.50 by selling 75 adult tickets and 60 children's tickets. So how do I write that out as an equation? Well, I know that they sold 75 adult tickets. So 75 times however much the price of an adult ticket is would tell me how much they made off adult tickets. And also add that they sold 60 children's tickets. So 60 times however much a children's ticket costs is going to tell me how much they made on children's tickets that day. This is equal to, we know that they made $757.50. Now, I know these two are related, so I can use this as a system of equations to figure out what A and C equal. The first thing I'm going to do in order to do this is right here, I have that C equals A minus 2. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, but instead of writing C, I'm going to write A minus 2. And then I'm going to be able to solve for A. So I'm going to have 75A plus 60 times C. But remember, I'm not going to write C. C is equal to A minus 2. So I'm going to write A minus 2. I use the parentheses because I want to make sure that the 60 gets multiplied to both of them. And this is equal to 757.50. Now we can solve for A. I always start with my parentheses. These aren't like terms, so I can't subtract them, but I can distribute the 60 in. So I'm going to have 75A. 60 times A just gives me 60A. And 60 times a negative 2 is going to be negative 120 equals 757.50. All right, I'm going to combine like terms. So 75 plus 60 gives me 135A minus 120 equals 757.50. All right, now it's just a two-step equation. You've probably done this a million times. We add 120 to both sides. So I get 135A equals 877.50. And then I'm just going to divide both sides by 135. And I end up with A equals 6.5 if you plug that in your calculator. But this is money, so I'm going to add a 0 so it looks more like money, and we can add a $sign. So I get A equals $6.50, which what does that mean? A was the price of an adult ticket. So an adult ticket is $6.50. Well, now that I know how much an adult tickets cost, it is really easy to figure out how much a child's ticket costs, because I know that a child's ticket is $2 less. So I'm just plugging it in right here. So a child's ticket is equal to the adult's ticket, $6.50 minus 2. So when I do $6.50 minus 2, I end up with $4.50. So that means a child's ticket costs $4.50. A child's ticket. Okay, guys. I love math. English is great. There probably shouldn't be an S there. All right. So an adult's ticket costs $6.50. A child's ticket costs $4.50. We figured that out using our system of equations. I hope this helped. If you need some more examples, I will link a playlist for you in the corner. Thanks.